All right, let's boogie a bit. Station, I'm going on home. So yeah, you take it standing on your own. Here come the train about at 44. Couldn't get a smoker, took another car. Yeah, we got the end of the line, both had change. Standing right behind me, I'm feeling straight. Get the money and the road and mouth skip the beat. Standing right beside me, I'm shaking in the seat. 3-4 minutes and the train come through. I'm riding on the Central, I'm looking at you. Woman on the Eastbound Train. Sometimes I wanna see you again. Look out. I couldn't read my paper, couldn't read a book. Kept on taking me another look. Got off the train, never looking behind. I can't get you out of my mind. No, no. Woman on the Eastbound Train. Sometimes I wanna see you again. Oh dear. Sometimes I want to see you again.